Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
Hey loves, and welcome back. Today is the next part of my Christmas Clean and Decorate series, and I am so excited to clean up this mess and get this space decorated. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, my front table has become quite the catch-all for items that we took down or needed a place to store. So I need to get all of this stuff cleaned up before we actually start decorating. I'm also going to be decorating my little cart here and my guest powder room area. So this is the only bathroom downstairs, so I want to make sure it is super festive and fun. So I am starting off by clearing off my catch-all table here and making sure everything gets put away where it needs to go.
Saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
Now that that mess is cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and rehang this basket and vacuum up any dust or debris that was under my little stand here before I get started with decorating.
Oh, yeah.
I wanted to showcase my little reindeer and Santa, so I'm setting them up here right in the view of the front door. I've mentioned before in previous videos that I just love this little garden stand that I have next to my front door, but it is a challenge to decorate, so I was really excited to get this done today. I'm really loving anything natural, so I am using some faux Christmas trees to bring that feeling to this space as well. At this point, I decided to go ahead and get started in the bathroom, so I'm cleaning off my little table here with some Mrs. Meyer's pine scented spray, and I'm going to decorate the top of this table with some figures and a candle.
The night before Christmas, I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the door.
And for the bottom, I decided to use this adorable basket. I grabbed this a few years ago, and I'm just using some more natural type decor in here, and I thought it would be really cute to include a roll of toilet paper because it is the bathroom. So behind our toilet we have this wooden cabinet that I refinished a few years ago, and I love decorating the top of it, so I'm going to start by giving it a really good clean and then use some more Christmas decor to make it even more festive in here.
Christmas on, it's Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating
I do want to add a little bit of Christmas flair inside this cabinet as well. So again, I'm just going to give it a good wipe down, and then I'm going to use some Christmas figures to give it that Christmas flair.
Next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
Next, onto the toilet, I am using my Clorox toilet wand, and I have these scented Clorox wand refills that you have got to try. I will have them linked down below for you.
This Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
For the sink, I am using the Barkeeper's Friend just to make sure I get all of anything that's stuck on the sink wiped off. And once that is clean, I will move on to the mirror.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating a tree. From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
I love using festive towels, so here I'm just going to use a red hand towel and put on top of it my white ReyAnn Christmas towels that I grabbed at Marshall's.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy
I'm going to add these adorable little skis to the wall above the towels. I just love them. I grabbed them a couple years ago at Target. And I'm going to finish off the room with this adorable life-size nutcracker.
Is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you...
And now that the bathroom is done, we're going to move into the front entry again and finish up this table. Again, I am using that Mrs. Meyer spray to give it a really good clean before I do any decorating.
Tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Hey.
So for this table, I really wanted to anchor my decor, so I am using the insert of an old army chest as well as a table runner to do just that.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses.
And when I was done with all the decor, I remembered I wanted to hang this beautiful painting in the bathroom, so I am doing that, and then that is it.
Nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright.
And here is a look at the finished decor, and I just am in love with how this turned out. It is just festive and warm and cozy, and it is exactly what I was picturing.
I knew this Christmas. I only wanna be close to you.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm really happy with how my entryway and powder room turned out. And I hope that you found this motivating and inspiring to decorate around your own home. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to say hello in the comments so that I can welcome you to our little family. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a